Mooner is a new concept mobile application set to launch in Singapore. It matches service seekers to nearby service providers instantly. Every user can set up services that they can provide and charge what they feel is fair. Mooner is a location-based service booking application for your home and office needs. Some services include pest control, cleaning, handyman services, and more. Mooner also allows home businesses. Some services you can provide are yoga classes, food businesses, hairstyling services, basically any service under the sun. All transactions on the Mooner app are completed using its very own Mooner token. Mooner is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Mooner app also allows users to book drivers or chauffeurs. Rates for services on Mooner are agreed and not stipulated. In-demand services on demand. Watch out for Mooner Service Booking app, launching 2021 in all app stores.